we gotta go to a beautiful pond, lake.
Yeah. If you're considering to come to UK and you're a student,
Like, living abroad is a mixture of emotions, like so many emotions.
looking for part-times, going for the part-times, waking up every day to do some boring job which you don't even need to.
Just so I would like to go home. This is not of my comfort. UK is not comfortable for you. Mine are not bad. What's in my bag? Hello. Oh, okay. Hi. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kushali if you're new here, and today we gonna have a very fun session. We gonna go out for a sip and sketch with my good friend. Come here. Let me introduce you to Miss Dhwani. So we are heading out to a beautiful pond, lake sort of thing, and then we're gonna sit there.
Just have a conversation about how our life is in UK, you know, like basically just gonna yap. It's a yapping session
Yapping session.
and you have to tag along with us.
Interesting yapping session while we sip and sketch.
You know, like,
Oh yes, by the way, that is where I live.
are you doxing yourself now? Guys, send her fan mails there.
And wow, the sunlight bunny. So pretty. And yeah.
Show them.
Yeah, so this is where I first met this lady, this crazy lady.
The best place to live. If you're coming to Coventry, consider it's a free advertisement.
Yes.
Free advertisement for AXO, but consider AXO Paradise. Yeah.
Yeah, you'll make a lot of friends. I made a lot of friends. I made wonderful friends. Oh, why did you even choose to come to UK at first place?
Well, as you know, of course, you know, for them, I did my master's in graphic design, and for graphic designing, I was considering like places where creativity is much more out there. Like US would be more for engineering and finances and business sort of place. Australia was also for like MBA and those things. I thought UK would be like a good option for creative, and it was also cheaper, not gonna lie. It's way cheaper than Italy, which I wanted to go to.
Really?
So, yeah.
Oh, which way are we going?
We're going there.
Sorry. All in all, to be honest, like living abroad is a mixture of emotions, like so many emotions. One time you feel very strong, independent, you'll just feel that you can do anything. But at the time you'll just miss your home so much. You'll just miss your parents, you'll just miss your siblings.
That's so true.
I mean, like,
Yeah, it's like growing up,
yes.
but then you speed up the growth, and then you become so mature or so independent. That's when it hits you that, oh my God, we had our parents, we had so much of comfort in India.
Yes, and now you have to look after yourself, cook for yourself, clean after yourself, and
Exactly.
oh my God, it's tiring sometimes, but then
Oh my God.
have to do something if you really want to achieve something.
Well, also work-wise, like we didn't think we would do such part-times in India, you know?
Yes.
Looking for part-times, going for the part-times, waking up every day to do some boring job which you don't even need to.
Just so tiring.
Like, yeah, it's a crazy experience overall.
I won't complain. You know, I used to complain long back.
No,
I was like,
yeah.
I would like to go home. This is not of my comfort. UK is not comfortable for me and stuff. But now that I have, you know, lived here and now I'm okay with all this stuff,
Yeah.
I'm very comfortable living in UK. Look at the houses. Look at the sky.
I spy.
Okay. You spy? I spy.
Oh, I spy. Cherry blossoms.
Cherry blossoms? Oh. There. Yes. Yes. We are here. So that is the garden where we're gonna go, and this is Asta. First we're gonna go there, we'll grab some drink maybe if we like it, or we have Indian store option where we might find fruity.
Maybe. I think so.
Maybe,
Yeah. But let's see something first here.
Yeah.
You know, even Asda has Indian Asda has Indian variety of
section.
a section.
But they're limited.
Also, the prices differ.
Guys, we are out from
There's gonna be
Asda.
another separate vlog for separate vlog.
Exactly. So I was thinking to make another vlog where we will show inside different stores and comparison and all this stuff. So for now, we bought few stuff. We bought few drinks.
Got a fitted bed sheet, and
We're gonna sit here.
yeah, that's our view. Basically, it's very damp, right?
Very down.
We scouted a new location, and
Show them the view.
yeah,
This is gonna be our view. And
so pretty. Don't look at the side. We all set up. You wanna see now Kush's feet, huh, Kush? Show your shoes now.
and look at my feet as well.
Ew.
No free feet footage.
Like we are here to sip and sketch.
Yes. Hello guys, welcome to What's in My Bag. Yes, so first we have Coke Zero. Next we have this zero sugar pink lemonade, which Dhwani wanted to have. Okay. Next we have Asda wala cheese balls. And then we have another Coke Zero, just in case. वापस उठ के नहीं जाना shop.
Why did
Next we have notebook and paper for sketching. And some art supplies. And I have my sketchbook. And a water bottle. And my glasses. And my lip gloss. So we are ready for a sip and sketch in this beautiful location. Are you ready?
do I have a choice?
Cut!
Kya?
Cut!
So guys, now what's in my bag? It's a mystery. Kush, are you ready to see this?
Yeah! Oh
I
wow!
have some pencil, pens. Oh, I love this pen. I stole it from my supervisor.
Carol!
Yes, you can. I also have my charcoals.
Good.
I love my charcoals. So
Professional
my
sketcher,
charcoals.
yes.
And that's it. I'm kidding. I had my bed sheet as well. The bed sheet we are sitting on is mine.
ASMR.
Cheers. It's literally sunny and it's cold. Like my hands are freezing right now, but
Yes,
it's sunny.
but it's sunny.
Like, make it make sense, guys.
People are listening. Oh wow! I don't know if you saw it, guys.
I don't think so. Oi. I'm scared of birds flying over me because I think they're all coming for me.
Yeah. Birds are pretty good but scary. What if they shit on you? I don't mind. Should we? Wow. Look at that!
Let's do a challenge sort of thing. Like, suppose it's green, right? You can't use green.
Really?
Yeah. Like, use your imagination, you know, like clouds can be blue for you, like clouds can be red for you, like that. Like let's twist it a bit, you know.
This is basically our view, this situation here, and then the challenge is we are not gonna use any original
actual
colors.
colours,
the
yeah.
actual colors. Like if the trees are green, we can't use green. If they're brown, we can't use brown. And if clouds are white or blue, we can't use blue. I don't know
We
what.
are gonna mix it up. Let's see how it goes. Let's see.
It's a very good
abstract.
challenge.
It's an
I'm up for it.
abstract.
We don't have proper stationery, to be very honest, because we are
Broke.
broke. We are broke international students.
Please fund us.
Please watch my video so that I get money from YouTube.
We'll link the GoFundMe down there. We should start one. Two broke girls.
Two broke girls. Are you ready to watch Two Broke Girls YouTube video? If yes, comment below.
Guys, my way of sketching is basically very different from what Kush sketches like. I'm more into charcoal and black and white, but that's why I took up this challenge. Like I said about this challenge, because I guess I'm not into like colors that much.
I am a lot into colors.
I have a challenge
Let's
for me,
try
bro.
something new.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what do you think, Kush? How was your first year in UK?
My first year in UK was pretty confusing again because I was blessed with good people around me. I could make good friends.
Okay, me.
Yes, you. Yeah, I could make good friends.
It's not you.
I only have 50 subscribers and I love them. I love you all, guys. I love my 50 subscribers.
She's lying, guys. She's lying. Trust me.
मैं वो भी cut कर दूँगी.
Trust
I am the editor.
Bro, it's power abuse right now. She's using her powers against me.
So how was your first year, Dhwani?
First year, well, we were still learning how this culture, this, you know, the city. Coming from Mumbai, I thought UK would be like very much like Mumbai. But then it was still a cultural shock for me. But also, there were so many Indians. You remember when we were in the start in Axo,
there's
like
so many Indians.
you staying away from your country, you would think, oh my god, I would be surrounded by just like white people. Like to be very honest, people told me like it could be race, like you know, you would find a lot of racism around there.
Yeah.
But then, honestly, guys, it's not true. It's not. When I came here, first of all, so many Indians, Pakistanis, and basically South Asians I found, like here, and like it was like a home from another home, you know, a home from other home, right?
True.
And
to
then you
wash
have to
your
wash
own
everything.
dishes. Yes, so
I might not even use colors to be honest.
it is so uneasy for me because the view is that side and I have to look other way. But then my priorities are straight. I need the sun. Actually, we're gonna make a whole different vlog on how you can get a part-time job in UK, how we got our first part-time job in UK. We're gonna talk about it in a different vlog. But for brief, yeah, it was a struggle. It's not easy to get a part-time job.
Kush was the first person in our friend circle to get a part-time job, and we were so proud of her. She got it around April.
Yeah, April. Yeah.
April, yeah.
End of April.
End of April, and we got it in June. Around most of our friends got it in June.
June, September.
Yeah, September. Oh my god, it was crazy dealing with rent yourself, dealing with student fees, and then your expenditure, and struggling with groceries here because of course in the start everything like the prices our mind used to work like, oh, £1 100 rupees, £1 like £2.
Yeah,
this
true,
was
true.
so we used to calculate. That is something you'll face, but I guess you get used to.
You get used to it eventually.
Yeah.
Look in the dog.
Yeah. Kush gets distracted by dogs, so if you see her gasping in the middle, it's just her looking at dogs.
They're so very cute dogs.
Yeah.
I didn't do anything. That's a good improvement. I'm still struggling. Because I was busy yapping, you know, it's a yap session as well.
Yap. My goldfish memory, it takes me nowhere. I forgot what I was talking about.
Birds!
Oh yeah, I was talking about how Kush taught me Telugu.
Yes.
Because I don't come from the south. I come from the western part.
Show. Ah, she's quick. I'm so quick. Updates. I'm just doing
very
sketch.
pretty.
I'm just doing sketching for now. I still didn't start coloring.
Close.
That's my art.
Oh, and that's mine. That's basically water in the front. It's the lake. I'm gonna do
Trust the process, guys.
trust the process. Exactly.
Cheers to that. Update, guys. I am coloring my tree orange, and Dhwani is almost done with our sketching. You know, I speak in accent when I'm talking to that person. I mean, you get what I mean? If I'm talking to some South Indian, I automatically get the South Indian accent. Whereas if I'm talking with some Brit, I
Yeah.
can talk in that Brit accent.
Yeah, same.
My water is gonna be pink. This is the update.
That's my grass. The pink is my grass. So guys, second last update. Yeah.
Second last update because we are almost done.
That's mine. It doesn't look like something coming out of a video game or like Stranger Things.
Yeah. Of course, I told my world is gonna be pink and girly, and this looks like it's from a unicorn world.
Before final updates, let me tell them our condition right now.
It is cold. What's the temperature?
Basically, we are frozen.
It shows
6.
8.
Feels like 6.
Oh my god, feels like 6.
But we are frozen. I'm literally shivering.
My feet.
I can't feel my feet. And okay, let's go with the final updates. Also, Kush asked me to draw some ducks, so I drew 2 ducks.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, so that's my end piece. It's a unicorn world. So I called my art as unicorn. I name this art as Unicorn World. There you go. Comment below if you're ready to buy this. I'm gonna sell it for £200 only. £200 only, guys. quick. Dhwani, are you gonna sell your art? If yes, for how much?
For 2 rupees.
Thanks a lot for watching our vlog, guys. I hope you like the silly sip and sketch vlog. I'm sorry, मैं भूल ही गई title. Okay, yes. And this was not easy, not in UK's weather. No, it is. I'm freezing. It is sunny, but still I'm freezing.
You better comment down. Yes, you. I'm
Yes.
talking to you.
Yes, you. I won't say please. You.
No, you
Like,
have to.
share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to comment down below whatever you want to ask. I can't even talk at this point.
Kush, give me a hug. I need a hug.
It is so cold. Okay, let's go home, Dhwani. Let's go
can't
home.
feel
Let's
my
go home.
toes.
Let's go home. Bye.
I didn't even walk.
Dhwani, how was your experience of today?
It was. तो मैं इधर लेके आई coming here.
Beep.